right, so this is the iPhone 17, and Apple has finally stepped things up with the standard version this year. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Honestly, I never paid much attention to the regular model before, but this time the upgrade is all about the display. The moment you start using it, you'll notice how smooth everything feels. Now, if you're a pro user, you might not see a huge difference at first since you're already used to high refresh rate screens, but if, like me, you've been sticking to the standard version, the difference is instantly obvious. Navigation feels smoother, animations look better, and even gaming gets that high refresh boost. A few of the preloaded games on this device really show off the difference, and it's a big step up. Now let's talk about the camera, because that's where Apple slipped in another interesting change. The front camera now supports a new character centering feature thanks to its square sensor. Basically, when you're holding the phone vertically, you can tap a toggle button and instantly switch between portrait and landscape shots. No need to twist your wrist. That means you can take both vertical and horizontal selfies just by holding the phone upright. Even cooler, if you're holding it horizontally, the camera automatically adjusts depending on how many people are in the frame. It can auto-center, but you also have the option to adjust manually. And this works not just for photos, but for video too. Flip it into 4K, and yes, it can handle 4K at 60 FPS without breaking a sweat. Whether you're holding it vertically or horizontally, the sensor adapts to give you the right orientation. Honestly, it makes shooting content a lot more convenient. Now, overall, the experience isn't drastically different from before, at least not yet, since I haven't taken it outdoors for a proper shoot. But under the hood, the biggest upgrade is the new A19 processor. You get better performance, improved battery life, and the upgraded front camera experience. And here's the fun part. That new front camera setup isn't just limited to the Pro models. Both the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max share the same one. So in a way, the standard iPhone 17 is giving you half of the pro-level experience. As for colors, Apple is bringing some really bold options this year. I've got the purple one here, but it also comes in green, blue, white, and more. Definitely some eye-catching choices. This is just my first impression of the iPhone 17. I'll be uploading a detailed review in the next 3 days, so make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on. That's it for now. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.